Here we will see application lifecycle of MVC. The MVC application is the main part of every MVC project. This class is inherited from HTTP application class, which exposes a number of request lifecycle events that we can attach to event handler to run our code. The application start and ends are two events that run before and after any other event, and these events allows our application to start and stop receiving the request. Application lifecycle generally means the time at which the process of application begins to run until it stops. It tagged these two events in the startup file of your application, that is application start and end event. First we will see application start event. Every MVC application life starts with an application start event. This event fires when the application receives its first request. This is the entry point file of the MVC application. It allows us to perform global configuration before anything will happen, which we can see default implementation here. In MVC application, you can use this for various tasks like applying global configuration, register script, and CSS bundles. As you can see here, default implements like register bundles, register global filters, etc. The register root method adds any root that we define to static collection on root table class. This is the collection of roots that URL routing tries to match to incoming URLs. We need to define this before anything will happen so that the request has something to be matched. And each of these roots also needs to have an associated root handler class that we actually process the incoming request after it's been matched to the root. Root handler is used to retrieve the right handler for request. Next is application end. This event is fired when our application stops and then no more request can be received. It is rare to use this event, but if you want to run any task before the application completely shut down intentionally, this is the good place where you can do it. There are some cases in which you want to execute some custom code before the application starts. In this situation, we have the option using pre-application start method. Actually, this method defines on assembly level.